In this 3-minute video, you will see how the AutoTest function works, why it is important for you, and your benefits of using it. The Fluke 1664 FC Multifunction Installation Tester offers you an AutoTest function, which saves time and ensures that all required tests are performed according to the European Installation Test Standard HD 60364 Part 6. Why is the testing of electrical installations according to the European Standard HD 60364 Part 6 so important? The testing is to confirm that the electrical system is correctly installed and the safety measures against electric shock and fire protection are valid, including the correct function of protective devices such as RCD. Which tests are performed? The AutoTest function includes loop and line impedance test, RCD trip test, and also insulation test. Let's see how the AutoTest function works. We will perform an AutoTest using the 1664 FC Multifunction Installation Tester. This test is usually done at the end of a circuit at a socket. First, we need to set up the parameters for the AutoTest function. We select a test voltage of 500 volts, which is the nominal test voltage for systems with 230 to 300 volts mains voltage. Also, we set the nominal trip current for the RCD to 30 milliamps. That is all the setup needed. Now we can start the test, and the tester will automatically perform the following tests: loop impedance test, line impedance test, RCD no-trip test, followed by an RCD trip test, testing trip current and time, and also 3 insulation tests: live neutral, live earth, and neutral earth. As you can see, the 1664 FC tester has performed all these tests in one sequence in a short time period. If an error occurs in the test sequence, the tester stops and gives a visual and audible signal. By using the up-down keys, every single result can be displayed. When required, all the results and parameters can be stored to memory or transmitted via Bluetooth to Fluke Connect. To perform all the required tests according to the HD 60364, you need to do the following tests. First, start a trip loop test, including a line impedance test. Then perform an RCD no-trip test. Followed by an RCD trip test using ramp method. And finally, 3 separate insulation tests: live to neutral, live to earth, and neutral to earth.